I think my advice to them who are planning to take the NCLEX is to look for someone, or especially look for an agency you are sure about it. I will really be recommending the NASHA po.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. With me is Nurse Rabi Damandaman, RN, USRN from Bukidnon. We have assisted Nurse Rabi with his NCLEX USA exam application process. And today, he will share his journey of becoming a USRN and his experience in choosing Nasha for his NCLEX exam application process. How are you, sir? Can you introduce yourself?
Good day po. I'm Rabi Damandaman po from Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, and I passed my NCLEX last November 27, 2025 at Person View, Alabang, Manila po.
Wow. Okay, sir. Many of nurses would like to know the reason and what motivates you to take the NCLEX to become a registered nurse in the US.
Since I work at a Department of Health,
Wow.
yung public speaking po medyo natural na po sa amin, tapos yung palaging nagtuturo, kaya po ako yung strategy ko po, yung study ko po ng NCLEX is hindi na po ako notes, hindi na po ako take notes, hindi na po ako yung study talaga na nagpo-post sa wall po, yung nag-take notes. Yung sa akin po, habang binabasa ko po yung mga rationales po ng mga each questions po, dinidiscuss ko na po yung parang bang may pasyente na po ako sa harapan ko. Yun po, yung every rationale po yung dinidiscuss ko po yung my own language po, tapos at my own understanding, make it simpler. Yun po, at kasi po kapag nadidiscuss ko po talaga yun, meaning po naiintindihan ko po talaga po siya. At yun, nagpa-inspire po din sa akin mag-take ng NCLEX po kasi most of my relatives, po my whole family are working abroad as nurses and medtechs po. So, sabi ko, ako yung pinaka-bunso, tapos gusto ko pong mag-try po din abroad sana kung papalarin po. Pero my number one reason is hindi naman po talaga mag-abroad, pero gusto ko lang po yung ma-experience yung feeling yung may second na lisensya po.
Wow. So it's all about professional growth.
Yes,
and at the same time, all of you in your family are actually nurses, and it's an inspiration as well na you took the NCLEX, and of course USRN na po kayo. So kung dadating man yung time that you decided to move to the US, to Australia and Canada, you can already use your NCLEX result kasi applicable yan, no? So Australia, sa Canada, even in the Middle East moving forward. And tell us something, sir, about your experience. Ano yung mga naging strategy mo? Especially you are currently working, right? Ano yung mga naging strategy mo? Did you create a study guide? Ano yung review materials na ginamit natin? And during the examination day, ano yung naging experience mo? Anong number ka nag-stop? And anong oras ka nag-stop?
Okay. So, during the exam po, parang wala akong masyadong na-feel noon kasi parang pagod ko galing sa work noon. Tapos sabi ko na gusto ko na itong matapos talaga kasi parang 1 month and 2 weeks ako nag-straight review talaga. Like after work, tulog muna ako medyo, tapos gising ulit, tapos study. Meron din kong times na hindi na ako natutulog kasi yung almost 1 week or 2 weeks before the exam talagang hindi na ako natutulog na lang, tapos study. Tapos hindi talaga ako leave talaga ng work. Gusto ko talagang i-process kung ano yung available ng time ko lang. Tapos doon during the exam po, doon ko na na-feel na medyo mahirap. Ang hirap talaga po ng exam. I use bootcamp. I didn't use any review centers. So I just used an app called Bootcamp. And then, yes, bootcamp lang po. Tapos yung pong sa NASHA po, yung mga NGN questions po, yung mga 100 items, I also read it po na po. And then, at that time, during the exam po, sabi ko talaga na ang hirap, parang walang lumabas ng mga
questions.
Study ko. Oo, tapos, yun na. Pinagpasa-Diyos ko na lang po. Sabi ko na parang mag-take na lang po ako next time nito. Parang I feel defeated po talaga. And then, pag labas ko sa testing site, umiyak talaga po ako. Oo, sabi ko na, bawi na lang ako. Pero, alam ko na medyo may chance pa ako din. Nabasa ko po sa mga group pages ko na kapag sure ka po na answer mo po yung last question, may chance pa po. Pero may chance lang po, hindi po accurate daw. So, yun po. Alam kong yung last question ko is sat at. And then I stop at hindi lang ako sure po kung anong number kasi medyo napapasa ko. Parang 92, ganyan.
92.
Opo. 92. Sabi ko, pagka lapas ko ng 85, sabi ko, laban ako hanggang dulo, hanggang 115. Pero hindi ko na kamalayan na nag-shut up. Parang 7 case studies po. Tapos, I think mga 9 statans and a lot of priority questions po. Yung case studies ko, parang sunod-sunod na po. Yung tatlo doon. So, non-stop na mga case studies. Pero nasusuka na talaga ako nung nag-e-exam. And during exam, nagdasal na lang po. Nagdadasal na lang po ako. Yung parang na-detect ng camera kung anong ginagawa ko. Yung parang movement ko. Kasi yung ganito na lang po ako. Kasi ang hirap na exam, Lord. Ano pa to? Yun po, hindi po ko na-expect na umasa po talaga ako at that time po.
Talagang binigay yun ni God sa'yo, sir, regardless of the challenges and regardless of parang nagda-doubt ka or unsure ka, no? Talagang binigay yun para sa'yo and it has a purpose. And from the time, sir, that you received the result of your exam, that you already passed, kamusta naman ang naging feeling natin?
During the time na I received po the result of the exam po, and I was really busy at that time sa work ko. Like, ang dami kong pasyente noon. Tapos, nag-notify yung NASHA sa akin. Pag-check ko lang po, hindi ko talaga nabasa lahat ng convo. Yung parang nag-glance lang ako kung anong gusto kong basahin kasi medyo meron akong kutub na ano na ba ito na ba yun kasi available na yung quick result. Tapos napasa ko yung congratulations at nakapas. Yun lang yung dalawang word na nabasa ko. Naiiyak ko. Pasalamat talaga ako sa Diyos at of course sa NASHA talaga kasi nandun kayo during the progress and after the progress.
Wow. So NASHA help you all throughout the process, not just in the processing, but in motivating you and helping you to pass examination. You mentioned that you also use the QBanks in our NASHA app. How's the experience using the NASHA app, sir?
So, nakaka-help po siya sa akin kasi NGN po yung nasa NASHA. Yung at first po, hindi ko po talaga alam ko ano yung NGN type of question. Tapos, dinatry ko pa mag-review ng mga laboratory values po. Ganito, pero nandun na pala po sa NASHA na given na po ang mga laboratory values kapag NGN. Tapos, yung mga time pressure po, nandun na po din sa NASHA. Yung processing po doon by step by step. Parang all-in-one na po talaga sana siya yung processing, tapos yung exam, pwede ka po, ang rami po mo, I think nasa 12 or ano ba, ang rami ng mga questions, tapos ina-update pa talaga ako every time and tapos doon na po ako nag-purchase ng extra bootcamp lang po for kanang experience po for same thought experience for the website and taking the NCLEX. The same.
Wow. So Nasha really helped you all throughout the process until such time that you passed the NCLEX. And after passing the NCLEX, sir, andito pa rin kami para tulungan po kayo once you decided to move in the US.
Okay. Talaga po, sir.
Yes, sir. And sir, you're still young. You're already a USRN. You passed the local board and you passed the NCLEX USA. Ngayon po, ang daming fresh graduate at saka ang daming we have 4,000 plus passers. Congratulations to them. What are your message and advices to other nurses or actually preparing to take the NCLEX, planning to start the NCLEX, don't know how to start? What are your message and advices to them?
I think my advice to them who are planning to take the NCLEX is to look for someone, or especially look for an agency you are sure about it. I will really be recommending the Nasha po for them. I think it is important to have an agency po when taking the NCLEX so that it will be for them a hassle-free studying po. Kasi po, kapag nag-DIY po, medyo mag-doubt ka pa kung anong process nito, mag-ask ka pa ng question kung tama ba tong sinisend ko na link, mag-wait ka pa po. Gusto ko pong sabihin na kung gusto mong hassle-free na lang po yung study mo, wag na lang po kayong wag na lang po kayong yung parang disturb yung mind mo pati sa process. Yeah. So, focus na lang po sa study and let your agency po bahala na po sa kanang anong gagawin po ng papers niyo po.
Andito naman si Nasha, sir, no? All throughout the process para tulungan kayo sa lahat ng processing, no? So all you need to do is to focus on your exam preparation and review, just like sa ginawa po natin doon sa application niyo po, sir. And again, sir, thank you so much for sharing your story, and we know a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same, and your journey is really, really amazing and an inspiration to everyone. Congratulations, sir, and we look forward to seeing you working in the United States in the coming months and years. God bless you, sir, and more power to you po.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you, Nasha.
Thank you so much po, Sir Ravi.